We are now moving on to external analysis. Before you put any time, money, and energy into your idea, there's one crucial question to ask yourself. Is there a market for my course or for my course idea? While you may believe that your idea is the next big thing and you're excited about it, there's one fundamental truth that you have to keep in mind. If there's no audience, there's no business, or no audience, no business. The key is to offer what your market needs, not just what you're eager to sell or what you believe they need. Before you spend precious time creating content and recording videos, you should be sure that there is an actual market willing to invest in what you've made. Otherwise, you're pouring energy into a void with no customers to reap the benefits of all your work. Big corporations, including most of the companies that I worked for, invest heavily in market research and product development before they put anything out there. They continually probe, test, and fine-tune their offerings before launching any new product. I myself have spent tens of thousands of dollars on just research during my career. But like you, I am now an entrepreneur and we like to find smarter, more bootstrapped ways to do things. So, your goal should be to learn from the strategies and the approach of big companies and copy only what you really need. But make sure that you don't leave this part out, because you probably have limited resources and time, so it's even more important for you to conduct your market research before investing your most valuable resource that you have in your life, which is your time. Before we dive into the details, there are 4 levels of information that you need to take out from your research. The first one is your audience's specific situations, their challenges, their existing knowledge level about your topic, and their desired outcome. Crucially, where are they on their current journey? These insights will be important when you're creating your content and marketing strategy. So, as you dive into your research, take these 4 points in mind and ensure your investigations address them. And if you have taken any course from me before, you will recognize that these questions are linked with the Subway framework, which we will cover in this masterclass as well. Now, how do you go about this? There are 2 primary approaches for your market research: the indirect and the direct approach. Indirect methods involve looking at what your potential audience is searching for, what they're reading, what they're discussing. Direct methods, on the other hand, involve getting information and insights from actual people through conversations and interviews. For that, you need to have a general idea about your ideal customer persona profile, and we will cover that later. So to summarize, the smart strategy here is to start with indirect methods, gathering insights and collecting useful information. And then after that, you can simply validate your initial findings by engaging in direct methods, such as interviewing your potential audience. This sequence is important because your goal is to confirm your findings and not just to simply find proof for any assumptions that you might have. Because you can always find proof of anything if you want, and if you dig deep enough. So this is the approach. In the upcoming lectures, we will discuss some of the tools that you have available for your own market research. I'll see you in the next lecture.